Hello friends, I am Nipun Parekh and presently I am pursuing in Information and Communication Technology at Marwadi University and my topic is circuit switching. Now let us go through about some hint of animation. We will first go through the theory part. As you are seeing that taxonomy of switch network. Switch network had three types: circuit switch network, packet switch network and message switch network. But in this video we are going to see this circuit switch network. As you are seeing, this is a diagram of a circuit switch network. A circuit switch network is made of a set of switches connected by a physical link in which each link is divided into n number of channels. In circuit switching, the resource need to be reserved during the setup phase. The resource remains detected for the entire duration of the data transfer until the tear down phase. In circuit, there are three phases. First is setup phase, second is data transfer phase and third is tear down phase. Now let us go through setup phase. When N system A needs to communicate with the N system M, system A needs to request a connection to M that must be accepted by the all switches as well as by the M itself. Means, as you are seeing in the diagram, A needs to communicate with M, so all the switches has to accept its request. Now data transfer phase. After the dedicated path made of connected circuit is established, data transfer can take place. Means, in data transfer, all the data are transferred in the data transfer phase. Third phase is tear down phase. When one of the party needs to disconnect, a signal is sent to each switch to release the resource. Now let's go through the practical example of switch network. Switch network at physical layer in the traditional telephone network use the circuit switching approach. Means, in telephone network circuit switching is used. Now let's go through some animation. As you are seeing, this is the diagram of a circuit switch network. As we have shown in PPT, this is same diagram. In this, I have made this red color switches is known as, you can assume that it is a phone, and this blue color switch you can assume that as a nodes or your tower. First of all, we need to communicate with A and B. So I am pressing this switch A and B. It means the A is calling to B, and there is a S1 switch, means one tower is there only, so one path will become. And for showing that, we have to establish that path. I am clicking on this button. As you are seeing, you are getting this path as established securely. And now I am once again returning to the mainframe. Yes, as you are seeing that A and B switches gets yellow color, means these two switches are busy. It means that if we are clicking on A and B, it means no sense. And red color switches that are not busy, so we can communicate with that too. So now once again pressing switch E and switch F for getting connected with E and F. As you are seeing this, the frame has been established. Now I am securing this connection and the frame has. This was there about my project circuit switching network, and thank you for watching my video.